हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय चैनल टारगेट फुल एंड फुल। सो आज हम एक नया वीडियो लेके आए हैं कि ऑथर्स एंड डेट्स ऑफ महाभारत ग्रेड 12 सीबीएसई हिस्ट्री चैप्टर 3। तो बिफोर वी गोइंग टू द टॉपिक, just we have discussed the language of the Mahabharata. As we have discussed, the language was that we have been considering in Mahabharata, that is in Sanskrit, and the Sanskrit was far simpler than the Vedas and Prashastis. What is the content of the Mahabharata? Content was divided into two broad sections. Number one, narrative, and number two, didactic. Narrative section contains story, and didactic section contains social prescriptions of norms. But this divisions doesn't mean that watertight. So sometimes in the narrative sections we have seen the social prescriptions or the social norms or the social messages, and in the didactic sections contain the stories. Now we are going to understand the authors and the Mahabharata. First question is that who wrote Mahabharata? We don't have any speculative or any exact answer. So we have a several answer. That is why we have bifurcated the topic into two phases. How Mahabharata and who wrote the Mahabharata. How and when Mahabharata was written. Phase 1 from 5th century BC and phase 2 from 200 BC to 200 CE. So first phase originally it was composed by Sutas, that means those who were driving the rathas. Sutas who generally accompanied the Kshatriyas in the battlefield and composed a poem celebrating their victories and achievements. तो फर्स्ट क्या कौन मतलब बनाए थे? सूता लोग मतलब बोले थे, इसलिए बोले थे जो क्षत्रिय जो लोगों का साथ देते थे युद्ध क्षेत्र में, और युद्ध क्षेत्र के जो विजय और जो अचीवमेंट्स था उसको लेकर कविताएं बनाते थे. ये कौन लोग? द सूटर्स. ओके. Preliminary it was circulated orally. पहले ये अपने मुंह में लोगों के पास जाता था. बट फ्रॉम 5th century BC, Brahmins took over the story and commit to write it. Now, it's very important point. From 5th century BC, Brahmana took over the story and commit to write it. You can remember, from the 5th century BC, the small chiefdoms becoming the kingdoms at that time. The small chiefdoms becoming the kingdom at times. You can understand by the 16 Mahajanapadas who became the great kingdoms during the time of the 6th century BC. So it was the time when small chiefdoms such as Kuru, Panchala, whom the story revolved around, gradually becoming a kingdom. Understood? धीरे धीरे राष्ट्र बन रहा था, बड़े राज्य बन रहा था. But there is a but. Was the new king was very much concerned about the history to be remembered or protected systematically? क्या नया राजा अपने इतिहास लिखने के लिए और इतिहास को रखने के लिए उत्साह मतलब उत्सुक थे? प्रोबेबली द आंसर इज वेन, जबकि आंसर जबकि राजा और ये जो राष्ट्र बन रहा था, व्हेन द स्टेट chiefdoms become the kingdoms, the new social norms often replace the old norms which is reflected in the some part of the story. Understood? कि नए राजा मतलब अपने इतिहास रखना चाहता था, ये सवाल है। आंसर है कि नए कोई सोशल नॉर्म्स आया है तो वो कुछ स्टोरी के कुछ हिस्सों में, ये महाभारत का जो स्टोरी है उस स्टोरी के कुछ हिस्सों में रिफ्लेक्टेड होता था। That is the first phase. Now the second phase. We notice and second phase. No. Second phase is that between 200 BCE to 200 CE, the worship of Vishnu growing in importance. अंडरस्टूड? इस समय की भगवान विष्णु की उपासना एक महत्वपूर्ण होने जा रहा, हो रहा था। कृष्णा was one of the important figure of who identified as a Vishnu. आप लोग देखते हो कृष्ण को हम लोग विष्णु क्यों कहते हैं? कृष्ण क्योंकि गीता के ज्ञान दिए थे, विश्व रूप दर्शन करवाए थे और कृष्ण ये बोले थे कि मैं ही सब हूं, मैं ही सब कुछ हूं। ये इसलिए क्या था, विष्णु के साथ साथ ये आइडेंटिफाई हो रहा था। साथ ही साथ along with from 200 BCE to 400 CE, large didactic portion resembling like the Manusmriti was added. Large didactic section with the additions, with these additions, ये जो didactic section था इसके additions के साथ साथ क्या हुआ? Initially, which epic was less than 10,000 verses came into being of 1 lakh verses, and the creation of traditional Mahabharata attributed to Vyasa or Veda Vyasa. Understood? This is the story, authors and dates of Mahabharata.